Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can keep this Google Gemini AI search on your home screen. See here, when I tap on this, so with one click access, I can use Google Gemini for searching queries or to image generation for or anything. So first of all, let me remove this and I'll show you the easy step very quickly. Okay, in order to put this Google Gemini AI search on your home screen, the shortcut or widget you can say, you need to have Gemini app installed on your mobile. Nowadays, all the mobiles having this Gemini AI app as the pre-installed app. If not, you can go to Play Store and download. So I'm assuming you have that app. So just give a long press on your home screen for a few seconds so that you'll see option widgets. Now go to Gemini and this is the widget. Drag and drop it on the empty space of your home screen. Here you can customize the width and height of this Gemini AI. So again tap on the empty part of your home screen. Now with one click you can actually search it, or if you want to search anything via video, or you can just click on the live, or you can use the voice search here. All these things you can do it by keeping Gemini AI on your home screen. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful for others too. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.